with our daddy and kuya.
Teka lang.
And it's so fun in here. It's happy day. Look, my kuya and daddy. She's away now. We're still here.
Nauna tayo sa kanila.
We're walking in the forest. And we know
Bakit po ba need mag-walking ng mga tao? Tell them.
because if they walking, it's so yay! It's fun. Look, jumping is fun, and walking is fun.
Bakit ba tayo dito kanina?
Look at my dog. It's walking, right? And we love this day. Look at the street. Look at the car lanes. It's
Oo,
so
tabi,
cool,
tabi.
right? Look at the car. You see it, guys? It's so nakakatakot. But we love you, guys. We love the walking and we love you. And look at my kuya and daddy. They're walking too. Kuya! Say hello! Hello, guys. Say hello. No. Say so funny. And it's so... Why you're going, Kuya? This is my mommy. I love you guys. Pero tani zombie ka daw. Ang zombies. Going to me. Time first. What is time first, guys? Time first is let's stop to play first.
Ikaw nga lang yung ano.
And
Sa lamin ko.
it's so nighttime. It's a little nighttime now, but it's still nighttime. Ew, 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 ew. Ah! I don't do this.
Dati ka naman. Para kita kami. Tsaka kita sila.
I cannot do this.
Kaya lang phone mo ko.
What is it? What is it?
Sa ano ka mo ng ano 7-Eleven ng SM. Kanto ng SM.
Let me see. Let me see. So good, guys. It oh.